Hey guys, I'm making this video just to give you discount codes for any apps that you guys want. So these are all the games that I have at the moment, and I can give you a discount code for every single one of these. Anyways, let's just get started. So we're gonna go on and tap on the very first one. Here's the link. Then we're gonna go into the second one. All these links will be in the description and in the comments of this video, by the way. So all these games, you guys get 25% off. If you guys click on that link, it's gonna give you 25% off. So that's how this works. There's Bone Lab as well. There's only a few apps and games that I've saw that they don't give you a referral link, which is odd, but they don't. And luckily all of these that I'm clicking on, obviously there's the link so you guys can see them, but there are those that don't. So if you guys don't see something here, it most likely doesn't have a referral link. So there's like, let me think of an example. The Thrill of the Flight, that one I bought just to give you guys a link, discount code for it, 25% off. But even then, nothing. So, and there's been a few, just a few that I downloaded, well, I bought, just to give you guys 25% off. And yet, here we go, nothing. No discount code. But hey, the good thing is that if you guys are watching this video, you guys are gonna get to see all these referral links, which means you guys can have a discount code for every single one of these, which takes off 25% of the original price. So that's pretty good. So if it's not on sale or anything like that, just get 25% off. Sometimes even if it's on sale, it's even better to get 25% off. Sometimes the sale is just 20% off, 10% off, but not 25% off. I may be going over 2 times on some of these. Sorry, guys. I just get distracted quite a bit. But here we go. I'll show you every single one so you guys can just copy it over. But again, if you guys are watching this video, just copy it over from the description of this video or go right into the comments area. I'm going to make sure that it's pinned there so you guys can go ahead and just copy and paste it. Or just click on it. Depends what you guys are using. So you should be able to copy it or whatever. Really, I made a separate video that teaches you how to claim these things, but it's kind of easy. Just click on it and that's about it. So there's not much to it. So that's just gonna take you to the app and you're gonna get the 25% off. It's gonna stay in your account. Just make sure you are in that one account. That's how you guys are doing this. So that's it for the games at this point in time. There will be more, so make sure to check out other videos that I have, and I will post them with all these discount links. Anyways, that will be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.